Hey guys, welcome to... Hey Case,
Yeah.
where are we? So we're currently in Quan Son, which is about 45 kilometres from the Laos border. What we're doing today is we're actually going to cross from Vietnam into Laos and take our bike with us. So we're going to show you guys today how easy or difficult it is to bring a motorbike from Vietnam into Laos and what the border crossing's like and hopefully what the road conditions are like as well. It actually rained quite a bit last night, and I have read that some of the roads to this border and beyond the border can be quite muddy and difficult. But yeah, we'll show you guys how we go with it. So we've just crossed out of Vietnam through their customs and immigration checkpoint. So basically we rode up and a guy pretty much met us outside, ushered us in, took all of about 5-10 minutes, and yeah, we're on our way through. It cost 200,000 dong to bring your bike across. You fill out a form and he's given that to me. I have no idea what to do with it, but maybe they need it on the Laos side. But yeah, for now we're actually in no man's land, somewhere between Vietnam and Laos, so we're actually not in any country at all. But we'll jump on the bike and head over to the Laos checkpoint and see how that goes. So we've just passed the Laos side of the border. The entire process from arriving at the Vietnamese border to crossing into Laos only took us about an hour, but it felt really quick. The Laos side was really simple. Basically, you just ride straight up to a window, and they take your passports and everything off you. You pay them $40 per person for a visa. That lasts for 1 month. Then you go to another window, you fill in all your bike details with another guy. You pay him $3. Then you just push your bike across the border and you're in Laos. So yeah, we're here. Welcome to Laos. So now we've got about 65 k's to ride until the first place where we can actually stop for the night. Apparently the roads in Laos are a lot worse than the ones in Vietnam, so we'll see how we go. It was raining last night, as I said before, so it could be a bit muddy on the way there, but yeah. So we made it to Vieng Chai. It's about 65 k's from the border, and it's seriously some of the worst roads that we've ridden. It was a mixture of mud, gravel, sand, sometimes bitumen, but most of the time it was pretty bad all the way along. And the road conditions were actually probably pretty good today, given that we hadn't had any rain, but even then they're atrocious. So in terms of bringing the bike across from the Vietnam side, you basically just need your blue card, and you fill in a form which I assume is an export form, hand over 200,000 dong, and then you can basically ride it across to the Laos side. On the Laos side, you basically give that form and your blue card to the guys in the customs area and pay them $3 and you can basically ride straight out of there. So it's super simple. I do know you need a Vietnam plated bike to do it. If you have one from Laos or Cambodia, it's almost impossible to bring it across the Vietnam border. But yeah, so long as you've got the blue card, which is the registration certificate, you'll be fine. So when it came to customs, I had read that you need to take the bags off the bike and have them scanned and everything to make sure you're not bringing anything into the country that you shouldn't be, but nobody asked us to do that. Once we got the bike across the border, we just kept riding and nobody came out and said not to do it. So yeah, we got across without having to go through any sort of customs whatsoever. So yeah, we've now that we're here, we had a shower and a bit of a rest, and we've just come down to a local restaurant that serves local food and Indian food, and just got ourselves one of the local beers to try. But yeah, no, life's pretty good. But we'll have plenty of videos from Laos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to see those. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you guys next time. time. Bye.